Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily type the euro symbol on your iPhone. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put likes under the video, write comments, and let's get started. So friends, first of all, I'm going to open the messaging app. But you can open absolutely any other app where you can type text. Type in any number. I already have the number 999 in my correspondence. And let's say if you need to put in the euro symbol, but when you switch the keyboard, you can't find, let's say, the euro symbol the first time. There are two options. So the first one is to find the dollar symbol. Then you press on it. Hold it down, and that takes you to a list where you can find the euro, and that's how you find the symbol you want. Also, friends, you can find the symbol if you click on the numbers in the keyboard. And then you have to click here. And that will take you to more advanced settings on your keyboard. And here you can also find the euro symbol. As you can see, this way you can easily find the euro symbol on your keyboard and insert it into your text. Friends, I hope you found this video useful. You have seen how you can very easily find and type the euro symbol on your iPhone. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.